We're on our way to South Dakota. Where we're at?
South Dakota, we are heading to Chamberlain.
Greg and I are heading out on our roadshow.
Heading out for Chamberlain first.
Chamberlain, then Rapid City, then North Platte. So
Yep. Only a 4.5 hour drive to start out, so shouldn't be too bad.
we're gonna have a great time.
Oh, yeah.
Test out some long arms for people, and yeah. All right. To South Dakota, where we're at?
South Dakota, we are heading to Chamberlain.
Greg just got to put some def in the gas tank, some diesel exhaust fluid is what that stands for. Because our van that we're taking out to this APQS Roadshow is diesel. We'll switch driving and
Oh yeah.
get there by the end of the day today.
We started out the day with a nice healthy breakfast and then got right into unloading the van and setting up the machines. This was my first ever roadshow, so I didn't know what to expect, but we had a pretty alright turnout.
All right, Greg and I are off to Rapid City for our next quilt or APQS quilt machine show.
Next test drive event.
We had a couple people show up too for our Chamberlain. Two show up in Chamberlain, and hopefully we'll get a little bit more of a better turnout here. While Nebraska's out in a blizzard, it's cold up here in South Dakota, but cold and windy. We avoided the blizzard, and I'm trying to get the camera turned around for everybody. So that is the weather we got up here, heading into the Black Hills. But yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just plugging and chugging.
And plenty of wall truck signs.
Lots of wall truck signs. I don't know if we'll stop in, maybe. Heading up to Rapid City. Might even get a golf game in or two.
Oh yeah.
All right, so absolutely get the golf game in. Sweet.
When we got to Rapid City, we checked into our hotel, had a good night's sleep, and then the next morning it was bright and early setting up machines again in a much smaller room this time. And you can see there, the room was a little cramped, but we had a pretty good turnout and it led to a couple of leads. We couldn't get our golf game in Rapid City because there was too much snow on the courses, so they weren't open. So we decided to move on to North Platte and got there in the afternoon, and since we had an extra day, decided to golf there.
Here are taking a break from quilting.
Oh yeah.
It's nice for golf. Wow, windy day, guys. Windy, but we are still out here. Next show is tomorrow.
Yep.
North Platte. We're having a good time here in North Platte playing some golf.
We didn't do too good at golf, but that's all right. The next day we decided to set up just one machine since it was going to be a smaller turnout for this road show. But even though we had a small turnout, it led to some more leads for selling APQS machines, and we had a great time. Finally, with all the test drive events and road shows done, we had to head back to Omaha. A nice 5-hour drive to end everything off.
Greg and I are back. Yeah.
Woo!
One last
It's only,
5
it's only 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's not bad. One
Not
last
bad.
5-hour drive, and now we're home.
Oh yeah.
Back to
everything on Monday. So
Back to machine repair.
back to machine repair. Griggs got left to do.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.